So this is looking at the male pelvis model for Bio 105. So starting off here, we have down here, this is the scrotum right there. So that is the scrotum. And within the scrotum are the testes. So this is a testis right here. On top of the testis is the sac here, and this is called the epididymis. So that is the epididymis. Coming off here, you're seeing this cord right here, and that is called the spermatic cord. And you can see red and blue within that cord, and that are showing the testicular arteries in red and veins in blue. Also within this is a tube called the ductus deferens. Now if we follow the spermatic cord up, that ductus deferens continues here, there, and over here. So that is the ductus deferens by itself. So that is the ductus deferens there by itself. Where this is trying to show is this is outside the abdominal pelvic cavity here. This is showing the muscle wall of the abdominal pelvic cavity. And so that spermatic cord has to go into the abdominal pelvic cavity. And so there's a little hole there where that spermatic cord goes in. And that hole is known as the inguinal canal. So this hole that the spermatic cord goes into the abdominal pelvic cavity is called the inguinal canal. And that's where it's located. This structure right here and also here is the urinary bladder. So that's the bladder there, that's the bladder there. The structure we see here is a seminal vesicle. So that is a seminal vesicle right there on the side of the urinary bladder there. Then also we see this structure here, and that is the prostate gland. So that is the prostate gland. Now if we follow this, the ductus deferens is actually going to make a connection there with the seminal vesicle. So now I have to take this off, and here's where they combine, right in this area. Now once again, this right here is the prostate gland. That is the prostate gland. So this portion right here, this tube going through the prostate gland there, that is called the ejaculatory duct. So that is the ejaculatory duct. That is where the ductus deferens has connected with the seminal vesicles, and that is the ejaculatory duct. This tube right here is part of the urethra. And so since it's going through the prostate gland, that part of the urethra is called the prostatic urethra. So that is the prostatic urethra. Once again, this is the urinary bladder up here. Looking at the penis now, so this whole structure is the penis. The enlarged tip of the penis is called the glans. So that is the glans. And now to see the rest of this, we need to take off the cap of the penis. So the tube going down through the middle of the penis there is the spongy urethra. So that is the spongy urethra right there. So that is the spongy urethra. Now what we are also seeing inside the penis is this tissue here and this tissue here. And these are types of erectile tissue. This type of erectile tissue is called the corpora cavernosum. So that is the corpora cavernosum. And this erectile tissue, which is found in the glands, but also around the spongy urethra, is known as the corpus spongiosum. So this is the corpus spongiosum here.